Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install shaders in Minecraft. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, we would need to download, open up your favorite browser. So we would need to download Iris shaders, hit on enter. Now, I gotta click on the first link right here. And then just click on downloads. Now go ahead and download the Universal Jar. Save it on your desktop so you can easily spot it later. And then after that, once we have our bridge, we can now go ahead and download a mod pack. So just gonna type down Minecraft shader packs. Hit on enter. Now you could go ahead and download from Modrinth or CurseForge right here. Let's say I'm just gonna open up CurseForge. As you can see, we have these tons of Minecraft shader mod packs. Maybe I'm just going to go ahead and download Solar Shader. I'm going to download it. Save it on your desktop as well. And then once that's done, close your browser. Now we have the Iris installer. Double click on it. Select your game version. Make sure that it matches. So let's say I have here, all right, 1.21.11. So let's close Minecraft 1.21.11, hit on install, wait for it. It's going to be quick. So close this one. Once that's done, now go ahead and open up Minecraft Launcher once more. And as you can see, we now have Iris and Sodium for 1.21.11. Just hit on play. So in game, just go ahead and go to options. Now video settings. As you can see here, we now have Iris. So just go ahead over to shader packs. Now it says here, download shaders, You can just go ahead and find or grab your RAR file, then drag and drop. As you can see, it's now been added. So you can just go ahead and hit on apply. All right. Or you can click on it, click on shader pack settings and change it however you want right here. Maybe I'm going to go ahead and use Ultra. The atmospherics right here, water, it's up to you. Hit on apply, done. Single player, open up a world, hit on play and wait for it to load. And by the way, you can now go ahead and delete the shader pack from your desktop if you want to, this one. You can now go ahead and delete this one as we are not going to be needing it anymore. So go back to the game, right here. As you can see, we now have this shader pack installed. And there you have it. That is how you install shaders in Minecraft. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.